A keyword is a term or phrase that is associated with a piece of website content. Keywords for search engine optimization, SEO, include your primary keyword as well as a set of keywords that are logically and semantically related to it. The semantic association refers to the related meanings of words. The SEO keywords for your website and its content are essentially the terms and phrases that people are most likely to use when entering a query into a search engine. SEO keyword research is concerned with determining which words people use the most frequently when conducting searches. With that being said, let's check out some of the best keyword tools. Welcome to WeGotMedia. We are a multimedia agency that offers professional services and training in all areas of digital media such as graphic design, video production, audio production, and digital marketing. This channel is dedicated in providing free informational tips and easy tutorials on how to make digital content using various software in the digital media space. Number 1. Google Keyword Planner. Google Keyword Planner is a straightforward keyword tool with a few basic features. Despite its lack of functionality, it is one of the most accurate keyword data sources on the market. The data is obtained directly from Google, and the results are compatible with AdSense monetization. Some of the features of Google Keyword Planner are: 1. You can locate commercial keywords using top-of-page bid range. 2. You get accurate search volume directly from Google's search engine. 3. It's the best choice for business websites. Number 2. Ahrefs Keywords Explorer. Ahrefs is one of the best keyword research tools for content creators available today. The platform provides the user with a comprehensive keyword report and relies on clickstream data to provide unique click metrics. You can get accurate keyword difficulty score and also keyword suggestions. Some of the features of Ahrefs Keywords Explorer are: 1. This tool is supported in over 171 countries. 2. You get click metrics for improving CTR. 3. It gives an extensive SERP overview. Number 3. Keyword Finder. Keyword Finder was created by Mangools, a developer known for creating the best keyword research and analysis tools in a variety of categories. You can get started with their beginner guide. The Keyword Finder tool makes it simple to find keywords with low SEO difficulty, among other useful features. It has a unique and easy to navigate user interface. You can find keywords in any language target, anywhere. Some of the features of Keyword Finder are: 1. You can a list of powerful keywords. 2. Get precise statistics for keyword competition. 3. You get in-depth SERP overview alongside a list of suggestions. 4. You can use filters to refine the list of keyword suggestions. Number 4. Longtail Pro. It's no secret that long-tail keywords are the new SEO gold standard. Longtail Pro is a keyword tool that generates long-tail keywords for niche sites and has a cult following among content producers for micro-niche sites. With Longtail Pro, you get powerful, detailed keyword metrics and easily find long-tail keywords. Some of the features of Longtail Pro are: 1. This tool provides recommendations for attracting highly convertible organic traffic. 2. You get to 500 plus SERP lookups every 24 hours. Number 5. Keyword Tool. Try Keyword Tool if you're obsessed with keyword data mining. The platform is regarded as one of the best keyword research tools on the market, with analysis available for multiple search engines such as Google, YouTube, Bing, Amazon, and the App Store. You can also use the tool to find great keywords using Google Autocomplete. Some of the features of Keyword Tool are: 1. You can supplement your social media marketing with Instagram and Twitter keyword analysis. 2. You can export results to CSV. 3. It has a simple UX for beginners. Number 6. Moz Keyword Explorer. The Moz Keyword Explorer provides simple, out-of-the-box keyword suggestions. Moz SEO tool has all of the features you'd expect from the best keyword research tools, plus 2 extras. This click-through rate represents the number of clicks you can expect to receive on Google's page 1. The priority score is a combination of all of the individual factors used by a typical tool to suggest keyword options. Some of the features of Moz Keyword Explorer are: 1. You get related strong keyword suggestions. 2. There is organic CTR and priority score for smart targeting. 3. Moz offers a 1-month trial period unlike the rest of the tools on this list. Number 7. SpyFu. SpyFu is the best tool for researching your competitors' SEO strategies. Their keyword tool unearths valuable, virtually untapped keywords, which makes a significant difference if you're working in a highly competitive niche. SpyFu is more concerned with competitor research. Some of the features of SpyFu are: 1. You get to compare different websites competing for a single search term. 2. You can check OU ranking difficulty and historical rank changes for the keywords. 3. You're provided with additional modules for in-depth domain analysis. Number 8. SERPstat. SERPstat is an excellent choice for a full SEO suite because it combines website analytics, a keyword research tool, SERP analysis, backlink analysis, a rank tracker, and website audit features. It's an all-in-one solution designed to streamline everything you'd need for thorough SEO. Some of the features of SERPstat are: 1. You can grasp your competition keywords using the competitor graph feature. 2. You can find keyword difficulty and keyword trends. 3. This tool is the most budget-friendly option on this list. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel for more informational videos related to the media industry. See you in the next video.